Welcome to day 4 in Skin Camp with Donna. Today we're going to be covering toning and serums. So I explained a little bit before about toning, how it used to, cleansers used to lower the pH of the skin and the toner would act on rebalancing that pH. So nowadays it's just more for hydration, pore refining, and just to give you that extra spritz and hydration before you add your serums and your moisturizers, so you use a lot less product to allow it to spread the serums and moisturizers a lot more evenly on your skin. So the Virage toner I will speak about first. This comes in a convenient spray bottle. So the Virage toner is full of essential oils, plant extracts. It's got witch hazel, it's got aloe vera, which is super hydrating. The oils in it are ylang ylang, coriander, cypress, and they tone and soothe and rejuvenate the skin. Palmarosa revives and balances the skin. It's very hydrating and a very energizing boost as well because of those oils. They're quite energizing oils, so you can spritz that on a couple of times a day over your makeup, and it'll help add some moisture and balance your skin tone throughout the day. So if you're sort of a little bit dry and dehydrated, particularly being in aircon and heating, your skin can get quite dried out, so you can carry this product with you and just spritz it over the top of your makeup, or if you're not wearing makeup, that's fine, but it just gives you a nice fresh energizing boost to your skin. It tightens and tones your skin as well, so your skin will feel nice and tight and firm afterwards, and it smooths your skin out as well in preparation then for your serums and your moisturizers. So it prepares your skin for the rich emollients that are in, and the nutrients that are in the ones that I'll be talking about in the serums and moisturizers. So that just really prepares your skin. You would use this morning and night. So anytime that you have cleansed, you would spray this on, okay? And like I said, you can use it throughout the day then as well for an extra hydrating boost. It just can give you that nice dewy complexion back. The Essentials Pore Reducing Toner, which is this one here, and this is the one I'm going to demonstrate today. This one again has a lot of the essential oils, plant and fruit extracts in it. It's got your aloe vera again, watermelon, apple, which will all tone and balance the skin. There's lentil extracts in there, and they really increase the skin's hydration. Reduces oil flow, tightens and tones the pores, so it gives those pores a really closed off look, so they don't look so open. It refines them, particularly over daily use for a couple of weeks. You'll really notice a dramatic difference in your pore size. So monitor it before you use it, and you'll see on the pores on your nose or wherever you have open pores, they'll be quite large and congested. As you're cleansing and exfoliating, you'll be helping to lift all those impurities out, and then this will help actually minimize those pores and make them look smaller in size. So the witch hazel is in there again, so it's a natural astringent, so it removes any excess oil, and that's what helps reduces the pore size as well. So I'll show you how to use the essentials. So the Virage toner is just a spritz, so you would hold it about 30 centimeters away from your face, and you would just spritz that a couple of times. Now, a little tip for the Virage spritz, you can actually use that as a hair defrizzer as well. So you only need a little bit, and when you've styled your hair, you can just spritz a little bit over your hair and just let it settle. You can comb it through if you like, and it's a really great hydration and anti-frizz for your hair as well. So you just get a cotton pad and just squeeze a bit onto the center. Now remember, toning is after you've cleansed, or if you've cleansed and exfoliated, depending on if it's exfoliation day or not, you would then tone. So this is just going to hydrate your skin, close off your pores, and just help give that nice smooth complexion. So using the cotton pad, running down your T-zone into your nasal groove, spreading it across your cheeks and under your eyes. So this one is a little bit more time consuming. but to reduce pores, if you have open pores, is probably the best one to use. So people with oily skin and people with combination skin, this would be a really good one to try. So just rubbing it all over and just closing off those pores and refining them. And then just rub across your chin, down your neck. And again, you would use this one twice a day after cleansing.